was agreed at the business committee and among the whips, and there should not be any issues as raised by the opposition, as the government non-ministers agreed for the 5 minutes, so there should not be any questions about that. Madam Speaker, the importance of the sugar industry cannot be overemphasized when it comes to Fiji and Fijians. Sugar is not merely an industry for the people of this country. It is bread and butter for almost 200,000 people of Fiji who directly or indirectly rely on the sugar industry. It is roti and ghee for the Ram Prasad of Rakiraki. It is tapioca for Lendua of Lambasa, and it is dalo for Samisoni of Senganga. This industry must be protected. It is an undisputed fact that the good the Fiji First government has done for the sugar industry and the good it continues to do till today is unprecedented, and cannot be matched by all the previous governments combined. And that is well reflected in the 2016 budget, where a total of $23.8 million has been allocated to the sugar industry. It is an increase by a massive $12 million from the previous budget. To the poor and hardworking farmers who are listening to me out there, you don't have to worry about paying your sugarcane growers council levy anymore, because your government, the Fiji First government, for the first time is paying for you in the history of Fiji. The money the farmers save from this policy can be used by the farmers to buy more fertilizer, more seeds, and invest more on their farms. That way, the sugar industry and the whole nation will benefit. Also, for the first time, Madam Speaker, cane farmers who cannot afford to pay their land rent because they are disadvantaged will be able to get assistance from the government so that their leases are saved. What more can the farmers ask for? The incentives the government is giving to the farmers in this budget will not only help the farmers and their families, they will also help the countless lorry drivers and operators, the cane cutters, the laborers, FSC workers, and all those people who have heavily invested in harvesting machines and lorries in Ba, Lotoka, Rakiraki, and Lambasa mill areas. A lot of fancy words such as per capita income, GDP, inflation, growth, etc. have been constantly used by the opposition to undermine the government's work. A cane farmer like Ram Sami, like Pasai Bula, like Ahmed Khan, like Dalabar Singh, who spend most of their lives on the cane farm, do not know these fancy words. They need cane lease renewals. They need investment in farms. They need cost saving. They need better ideas. They want hope. They want revival. They want relief. And this is what this government is giving for them. They certainly will not call this budget deceptive, Professor. They will not call the budget deceptive. They want more money in their pockets. They want better life than Fiji First government is giving to them. First it was lamb chops and milk, powdered milk, and now cow's milk, which the opposition was using to discredit the government's work. Now people are using words like disasters, like floods, like hurricanes, like droughts to malign the government's work. Madam Speaker, Fiji First government doesn't manufacture floods and droughts. They are made by powers beyond us. At least we are doing more than enough to lessen the effects of those disasters on the cane farmers by helping them increase crop size, invest in irrigation to counter droughts, and to purchase new equipment and machines. We are diversifying the industry by venturing into ethanol production, building a new Penang mill, sugar refinery, and cogeneration plants in Lambasa and Rarawai mill, so that the price of sugar falls, we will have alternative income for farmers. Some members of the opposition who have made comments about the sugar industry have never planted a single plant of cane and are least qualified to give any opinion on the industry. My great-grandfather was a cane farmer. My grandfather was a cane farmer. My father is a cane farmer. And I am a cane farmer. And I drive cane trucks and I drive cane tractors. Even today, if anyone is qualified to give a word on cane industry, it's me. And I am telling you that the sugar industry is in good hands, and we will save the industry as we have provided the budget. This is the people's budget, Madam Speaker. This is the people's budget. And if some people sitting in this very house choose to call me a fool, then let me remind them that I am here and I rose through the ranks through hard work, sheer intelligence, competence, and merit, and not because of some accidental, supposed noble birth. Listen to that, and hear that, and note that. Madam Speaker, I fully support this budget, and my vote will be in favor of the budget, because I know Fiji First is doing the best, and you guys will not match us. Thank you, Madam Speaker.